Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Cosmos.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about the cryptocurrency called Cosmos. And as you guys may know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
So, as you know, right now we're currently in a big dip, huge dip. Bitcoin's currently reached $42,000, so we have to see what's going on there. Hopefully, we will retrace back up, but we don't know what will happen from there. So, obviously, right now everything's taken a massive hit, which obviously means we're getting good buy prices right now, which is pretty good. So if we look at the market cap of this, we're at a $10 billion market cap, almost $11 billion market cap for Cosmos, and its 24-hour range was $40.59, and the lowest was $35.49. So there's a big difference from there. As we see right now, we are actually in a big uptrend since in the past 30 days. So I don't think right now, personally, of course, not financial advice, it wouldn't be a great time to be buying as of right now, as we have to see what happens with Bitcoin as we're still going up in the past even 90 days. I don't think this would be a good time to buy at all. It'd probably be a better time to wait till $20 or so to buy, of course, not financial advice once again. It'd probably be the best option to wait a little bit. Patience. So if you're looking to buy this coin, it would be the best place to be would be Binance or Crypto.com, but it's on KuCoin as well. So they're the three main options I'd say. But yeah, let's get straight into the updates that are happening with Cosmos right now. So as we see here, Mason Nystrom has made a tweet, and Cosmos actually retweeted it, kind of confirming that this is true. As we see with the Theta upgrade, there is going to be meta transactions, NFT modules, interchain accounts, liquid staking, instance on the hub, upgrades to the Gravity Bridge. So if we actually go on to what's coming to Cosmos, as we can see here, this is the current roadmap. So they've had what happened in the last year we're not going to talk about. So we look at what's coming. Expected this quarter is, so they're enabling higher level of multi-signature of permissioned accounts, meta transactions, which are allowing transactions to be submitted by separate accounts that receive tips. The NFT module, which I've just talked about, so enable simple management of NFT identifiers, their owners, and associated data such as URLs, content, and provenance. An extensible base module for extensions including collectibles, custody, provenance, and marketplaces. Liquid staking as well, which is a big thing. A lot of people have been waiting for that. So the features will include enabling transfer of rewards and voting rights, which is a great thing, which we've seen from Orn recently with the voting of the burning. So there's a lot going on here. If you want to read what's going on in quick Q2, Q3, and Q4, you'll be talking about those as the time comes, but not quite yet. We need to talk about on the short term with what's happening here. So let's get on to the technical analysis for Atom.
As you can see on the daily time frame, you can see that we have been in a massive range, and it does look like we have been in a massive consolidated range. And from a normal perspective, this is looking like it may want to be breaking out higher or breaking out lower. But as of right now, we can't really determine any sort of bias as of right now because it's not really been breaking out higher or lower. Therefore, it's difficult to say whether we actually want to be moving higher within a daily time frame. So for anyone that wants to be going long or going short, it might be a bit difficult to determine your bias just because of how the recent performance has been happening. So yeah, daily chart is a kind of a difficult thing to say about what's been happening. But from what we understand here, we have made a double top, which is looking a very good possibility that it may want to be dropping lower. And we've also somewhat made a double bottom before, but the double top does look stronger because double top just means a strong resistance point, and normally when we see a double top, we do expect price to drop lower to, you know, a very low point. Or even a double bottom, you would see price move higher to a higher point. So the daily time frame is kind of difficult to distinguish whether this double top will be valid, but I do think as time goes along, you can expect the cryptocurrency to actually make a significant move to maybe potentially a new all-time high or maybe a new all-time low, which would be kind of depressing to see because of what Bitcoin's performance has been currently doing. But yeah, that's what I think of the daily time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, the good thing is that what I can say is that we've actually been making higher highs and higher lows within the time frame, and the hourly time frame does look more and more bullish compared to the daily time frame because we've actually just continued making a higher high as time went along, and I do think that this could potentially be sustainable if we don't see the double top on the daily time frame become valid. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what actually happens. But I do think that as time goes along, we may actually notice a significant movement from Bitcoin, which may cause altcoins to potentially pump because we've actually been dropping from around like 69k all the way to 42k. So I do expect like some sort of relief rally higher before we make, you know, a new all-time high or a new all-time, not all-time, but a lower low. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll definitely be updating you with that as well.
So that is now it for this video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really does help us out, and you want to stay tuned for the upcoming videos. So thank you very much and have a lovely rest of your day.